You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the
Sugar lip treatment from Fresh. Gives that pretty glow. Junico lip milk is the finished look. Because cereal. Hey guys, we're getting ready to leave now. There's little Duke.
Little Duke, are you gonna be sad?
Taking my pillow for the car. We just left the house a little late, running 30 minutes behind schedule, but that's okay. Everything is fine. Everything is perfection. And yeah. You know, even with my tripod not working, everything is still great. Everything is still perfect. Hi guys, we are in Georgia. We just stopped and we were just working and relaxing in the car. It's been a long 2 hours according to my baby boo. Now we gotta drive for how long? 5 hours. We got 5 hours left. The road, it doesn't look that bad. It's a really hot sunny day. I'm hoping that it's a lot colder in Pennsylvania because I brought a lot of boots and not a lot of open-toed shoes, so that worries me. Guys, so we're gonna go get some Starbucks. I'm gonna leave you in the car though because I don't want to carry you in, so we'll be right back. All right, went to Starbucks. I got an iced caramel macchiato. My man got his drink that he gets. Don't know what that is.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel, cold foam, crazy bananas stuff. I swear that the reason people like Starbucks so much is because they put so much fucking sugar in this stuff. Because their coffee, like their actual coffee is not really good. Like this, the actual part of it that's coffee is burnt. Not the best.
It is, so is this one.
It's not the best coffee, but when I mix it with the sugar that it has in it, then all of a sudden I'm like, okay, I could drink this, and this is delicious. Do better, Starbucks.
They don't need to.
Fucking do better, yo. We're at a Mexican restaurant. Gonna grab some dinner. Mi casita.
Yes.
What a cutie. So cute.
Thank you.
So we are once again at our friend's place. Just staying here. Cute.